Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can enable the open window function on this panel heater. By default it's off, but you can easily turn it on. What the open window feature does is, if it detects that there's a 2-degree drop in temperature over 2 minutes, then it will turn the heater off, because it's pointless having this heater blasted out if there's an open window that's just letting all that heat out. So to enable it, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, and we're going to hit this little button here, which looks like a window, and right now that means off. If we use the up or down arrows, you can see that we're cycling through off and on. So put it to on and then hit that there, and you can now see that we have a tiny little icon that we didn't have there before. That little icon there, the little one, is to let you know that the open window feature is enabled. Now if you don't want it enabled, if you want it off, again just hit this one and go to off like this, and then just confirm by move that there until it says off, and then confirm it by hitting this one, and you can now see that that little symbol has now gone. So if the symbol's not there, the feature's off. If the symbol is there, it means it's on. So I'm just going to turn it on. There we go. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.